Hey, what's up you guys? This is Abir Khan, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys my portfolio of Robinhood 1 week later. And as you guys can see, I'm actually in a loss of $1.69. But overall, actually what has happened over the past week is here I sold one of the stock when one of you signed up using my link. So I got $4.90 for that, which will be showing in my account as a cash available, which I'll be using obviously to buy some other dividends and stocks. So in this video I'll be showing you one important thing which dividend portfolio can get you, which basically makes a point that dividend stocks are also not only high paying and overall and long term have performed better than non-dividend stocks, but at the same time you can really time those dividend stocks, and what that means I'll show you guys in details. But before that, I would request you, if you really like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up buttons, all the buttons thumbs up button, and that will help promote our videos regarding the dividend stocks and our portfolio. And also, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these dividend portfolio videos. And not just that, but we will also be sharing our investment guides and how we have initially started, and hopefully we'll grow it to something really big. So yeah, if you haven't already started your portfolio, you can use one of the two apps that I have mentioned in the description box. Using my referral link, you can sign up and you'll get a stock for free on Robinhood portfolio, which you are seeing here. And there's another portfolio that I have, which I'll be discussing maybe in the next video. The app is M1 Finance. Both of these are the free stock trading apps. So anyway, let's jump right into what we are here for. So initially I just want to show you guys my current stock portfolio. How does it look? So I already have 9 stocks, the dividend stocks in my portfolio. So as Robinhood currently doesn't allow you to have fractional shares, and there are over 1 million people in the list, and I joined Robinhood when I was in 700,000 lines. So not sure when my turn's gonna come, but I am still not able to buy fractional shares. So that's the downside of Robinhood. But as you guys can see, there are a few valuable stocks that are priced right. So I've been able to grab 3 of AT&T stocks. Then I have one Verizon, one AbbVie, and then Occidental Petroleum we have here. Then we have Shell Petroleum. VYM is nothing but an ETF. We'll make more videos about this specific stock in details in future. Then we have Dominion Energy, which basically provides energy like power, and they completely dominate the DMV area, which is in District of Columbia, Maryland, and Virginia, where I am from. And then we have Duke, which is also a North Carolina company. And then obviously the big old KO, the one stock that knocks out everyone in the dividend portfolio, which is basically a Coca-Cola stocks. So this is my current portfolio looks like, and in this week I have actually lost, as I said, like it says I have lost $1.69, but it's basically nothing but I sold the stock that I got from one of you signing up using my referral link. So there's that. And then this basically is the situation of my portfolio currently. So what I really wanted to show in this video was to get you guys an idea of how you can quickly, just like flipping homes, or flipping cars, or some people do it for quick cash. You can really use dividends even if you want to have short-term benefits, because I've seen so many people complain about it. I'm here using this portfolio for long term, and hopefully will stay in the market even if the market goes down. But if you are here for short-term gains, then obviously this video is for you. So another thing that I have shared previously, I actually have worked recently on this as well, to refine these graphs and update few of these fields here. So this column here for ExDividend Date basically shows you how and when basically is this company is gonna pay. So AT&T next ExDividend Date is gonna come in April 9th 2020. Actually this should be 2020, but yeah, you get the point. So let me correct it for you, because I will share this link in the description for you as well, so you can know when to buy the stock. And that is really important as we move forward in this video, because that is how you're gonna gain the short-term gains, which I was talking about. So looking at this sheet, basically you get the idea of when the company will be paying you the next dividend. So ex-dividend date is basically a date where the company commits to whoever has gained or bought their share by this date will be able to get the reward of a dividend. So that can be a yearly dividend, but most companies do quarterly dividends. So you definitely will be getting their dividends if you be a part of their investors team before this ex-dividend date. So there's that. So my stock portfolio looks like this. Actually these two are the same thing and represented differently. If you guys are want to see a pie chart, then I created this for you. In my last video it wasn't there. But yeah, so this ex-dividend date is really important to make a quick buck here. So we will take an example of Duke Energy here. So when I bought the stock, I bought initial buy date was January 7th, right? And the cost at that time was $90.37, and I bought just one stock, and it has a yield of 4.18% annually. So this basically is what I am relying on for now. But how you can make quick cash is the process of looking more into the data. And when I say more into the data, what I am doing is I'm going and checking the history of the dividend. So this company has been paying dividend quite regularly around month of February every year, and the date is around Valentine's date, or either it's 13th or 15th, so around those lines, right? So you never know when the ex-dividend date's gonna come, but investors usually invest before this day. So how you gonna make big bucks is you will invest it before this day. Obviously there are a lot of investors of this mentality. They're gonna invest just a day before here, and then they're gonna cash out once they get paid the dividend. You not even have to stay in for the same share. So say for example you buy on February 15th here, you buy on February 15th on 2018 one share, and you will get a dividend of 89 cents, and then you basically be able to sell it after February 17th, because this is the record date where the company records what who are all the investors. So you have to keep your money in for this stock until this date. So on February 17th you will be able to sell the stock, and at that time most likely the stock price will go down. The important thing is, when you are coming in for short gain, you need to be really sharp, and you need to be very agile, very fast in trading hours, right? So you buy in on this ideally on this day, and you sell it right after this day. So right after the record date, because it is before the payment date. So after this payment date you will see a drop in the stock price. And why is that? Is because a company will be paying 89 cents of dividends to all the investors. So this is important. So get in the right time and get out of the market at right time. And I have actually created one sheet here for the last year's dividends. If you can see, this was the date, the ExDividend Date that we discussed, which basically is nothing but this date was accounted as the last day of whoever wants to get in the market, invest in the company, and then Duke will pay them 89 cents of dividends, whoever was investor by this date. And then you will see, once the payment date comes, you will see a drop in the price in the market share. And again, it also depends on the trend, like when people get in and get out. So it all depends on that too. But for making a quick buck, this is important and very interesting way of making big money with dividends. If you are investing in thousands of dollars, this can really make you big bucks in just a couple of days or 3-4 days. So that's what I have learned recently. But as I said, like, I'm here using my portfolio at Robinhood for long term, and be able to see complement my basic salary, the job that I have with this dividend stocks. So that's just a start. Hopefully this portfolio will grow to a bigger amount, and that's what the goal is. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this trick. If you really like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and share with your friends and someone who is really interested in creating big bucks with small and quick investments. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.